I'm going to give it a try again so you can hear how it sounds. Okay, so that's how it sounds. It sounds like it's about to fire up. So it may be a fuel issue. Like I said, we have new wires, new plugs, a new battery, we checked the fuses for the fuel pump, starter, and we also verified the firing order on the distributor, and I need to verify that it's getting fuel past the fuel filter. Yesterday I verified that there is fuel getting up to the filter, although I haven't left any of those straight open to see how much fuel is coming out. Just because of that, we have that water heater right there. It's a gas water heater, so I don't want to have too much activity in here. I'll probably get it out of the street and check the fuel tomorrow just to verify that the fuel is coming through. And you could hear earlier the fuel pump. When I turned the ignition, you could hear the fuel pump engaging. Let me know. Thanks.